Hey guys, it's Dami, and in this video we will be going over unboxing and reviewing these AirPod Pro 3s from DHGate. Right out the back, these do come in this packaging just to get through customs, but once you take it off and you do the first unboxing of this red box, you will get to the AirPod Pro 3s that you did order with the links down below in the description. When it comes to the box, you will get, the AirPods, the Apple logo, and at the back you have more information about the AirPod Pro 3s themselves with 2 pull tabs and the serial number as well, which actually matches the AirPods this time around. Let's dive into the unboxing and honest reviews of these AirPods that I got from DHGate. So the pull tabs on this didn't break unlike the previous ones that I've unboxed on this channel. And once you do unbox it, you get the design by Apple in California paperwork with this extra ear tips that go all the way to extra small on the AirPod Pro 3s. And that's pretty much it. I don't think you get a cable with these ones at all. You just get the AirPods and the extra ear tip. In terms of how these case feels, they actually feel sturdy and they feel like holding real AirPods, not gonna lie. You have the AirPods themselves, the new design. You have the light at the front. You don't have the parent button at the back anymore on the Pro 3, so they actually got that right. You can see the new design on the pods themselves, which they actually got to the real ones that you can buy from the Apple store. It's actually sick how good these are. Okay, let's get to the pairing of these. So we're just gonna open up, the case of the AirPods, and once you do, the menu would pop up to connect, and all you have to do is just double tap on the front of the case. We no longer have a pairing button at the back. You just double tap. I got it wrong a few times, but right in the middle, right there, you just double tap and it pairs or syncs over to your iPhone or Android device or whatever you want to use it with. And when you pair it, it does come with a few information. So this doesn't work. I tried it many times even in the video, but it doesn't work. Live translation, it doesn't work as well. I tried to download Portuguese, but that doesn't work. Yeah, so once paired, you would see that you have the battery percentage of the case and the AirPods themselves. And I did check a few features like the camera remote, that doesn't work. The heart rate doesn't work, the head gestures, they don't work, and live translation doesn't work. What works is ANC and transparency, but these do come with limited warranty. Some would come with Apple Care. It just depends on which one you end up getting. From the links down below in the description, like I said, and the serial numbers do also check out as well on Apple's website, which is actually cool to know. This was me trying to see if the heart rate sensor maybe worked, but the don't come with that feature. It's just basically the AirPods with ANC and amazing sound quality, which I'm going to tell you guys more about. So a lot of people be asking how good is ANC and transparency, and I'm gonna tell you on these, they actually sound amazing, and especially when you get the right ear tips and the selections that you get. Once you get the right fitting, ANC works flawlessly. I couldn't hear anything whatsoever. The sound quality on these were actually amazing. I would give this a solid 9 out of 10. The bass and treble, everything was perfect. So with all that being said, I hope you guys did like the video, subscribe. I know it's a short video, but yeah, I'll recommend these if you're trying to buy them, give them to family or resell. All links will be down below in the description. Don't forget to drop a like I said, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.